Hi, this is Rick again with Bright White Paper Company, and we are getting ready to introduce for the August 2011 month some brand new things for us that I think a lot of customers are going to be extremely excited and pleased about. One of the things is, in the past, just so everybody knows, with your poster printer or poster maker, the end caps typically stayed with the machine. That's how you changed the paper roll. You pop the end caps in, pop the end caps out, and it was that simple. With the Variquest machine, when Varitronics came out with this several years ago, they made some changes, and one of the tough changes was the fact that the end caps now come with the paper. The problem with that type of situation for many of our customers, or many customers who were using paper from other sources, was that they were now forced to buy paper from Varitronics. They had 6 colors, and all 6 colors were $99.95. Where we had 30 different colors, and they are all from $69.95 to $89.95. So the big difference with the Variquest system was that the paper now came with its own end cap, and as you can see, the end caps actually have a computer chip in them. And if you didn't have the chip, you were unable to operate the system. And it had a reader here, and basically what this reader did was tell the machine that it had the specific type of paper in here, whether or not it was a standard or plus or whatever it might be. It also told the machine the size of the roll specifically, and it said the color and the length remaining on the roll. Well, we're glad to make a little bit of a change here. We're introducing our own end caps, and with our own end caps now, you'll still be able to operate the machine. As I mentioned, with the Variquest paper rolls, the end cap came with the system, with the paper rolls, and when you were finished with the paper roll, you just took the whole thing and threw it away. And the big difference, another big difference you're going to find with this is the fact that the end caps simply fit into the rolls and fit into the system, just like this. When you're finished with it, all you can do is take your end caps out, you'll pop them in the next one, next roll of paper, and continually reuse them. You do not want to throw the end caps away, unlike the Variquest one. Okay, the main differences that you're going to see between the Variquest end caps and our end caps are just two main things. It's still going to tell you the size of the roll, it's still going to tell you that it's a DTP or direct thermal paper or standard, but the main differences that it's going to show you is the fact that the color of the paper is now going to show generically red on red. It's not indicative of the paper roll that you've got in there or any paper roll that you eventually put in there. You're also going to notice that it's going to continually say 999 feet on there. So for the most part, your poster printer will operate as a standalone unit exactly the same way that it always has. Take your original, place it in the scanner, press the button, it'll continually print. We know that most of our customers have don't have a concern about what color is on the LCD. And as far as the end of the paper roll or the amount of footage is on the paper roll, the fact is that even Varitronics or Variquest Information says that it's not specific, it's not guaranteed that it's going to be accurate information anyway. So again, what you're going to be seeing from us that's going to be really different is the fact that it's going to be, say, red on red, and it's going to say 999 feet. Other than that, you'll continually operate your system exactly the same way that you've been operating it. We know from the past that most customers use these systems, regardless of which one it is, as a standalone unit. And what that simply means is that they're using it creatively, however they choose, whether or not they create, at home or in the office, whatever it is. They simply place the original into the scanner just like this and press the button. Okay? That's how it's typically being used. As you can see,